Here's how to make a portrait video landscape in CapCut. Now, if you took the orientation of a video as portrait and you wanted to convert it to landscape, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's open up the CapCut app here. Tap on edit here, and we'll just create a new project. Now, let's just bring in a video that starts off as portrait. You can see it's currently as portrait mode. However, I can switch this to landscape, and all I need to do at the very bottom is make sure the video is not selected. And then let's scroll over until we get to aspect ratio and tap on that. Now, I can choose a generic one, or I can choose, for instance, YouTube 16:9, and you can see it immediately changes that orientation. However, I can also just take my fingers and swipe in if I wanted to zoom in so that it fills the entire screen. However, you can see that it does cut off a big portion of that video, changing it to landscape mode. So I can also bring this back if I wanted to and tap on the check mark. And I can swipe all the way over and tap on background here. And I can choose a different background. So let's choose blur here and just choose to blur that background and hit check. Of course, you can choose a different image if you want to bring one of those in, or a color. And then now you have that landscape version of the portrait video, and you're good to go.